back in my room. Actually prefer that thing closed, it actually looks much better. I'm back in my room. I'm coming from South Beach, the restaurant. My mistake, I went there and I actually ordered meat, forgetting that I'm in a coastal country, and normally countries like this or provinces like this, meat costs a little bit more expensive than it would be to eat fish. So yeah, that's something for you guys to remember. If you come in countries like this, make sure you order fish and do not order meat or beef or whatever, because it's gonna cost you a little bit more. I think I paid maybe twice or 2.5 times more than I would pay if I was in Johannesburg. Now, I wanted to show you guys quickly what I brought to this quick trip to Maputo. Actually, I didn't bring much many devices. This is actually a tech that I'm going to guys. This is actually the devices that I brought out that I'm gonna show you guys that I'm actually using while I am here. So the first one is my AirPods, where I actually put the keys to hang so I don't lose them. Now these AirPods have a case on them. I had a video that I showed you guys the case. I'm gonna link them down or somewhere here for you guys to check it out. But this is just a 100 Rand case, if I'm not mistaken. Just serves for you to protect your AirPods, and you can actually use and make them stand, because they had actually kind of a lot of a bottom. And yeah, these are the first generation AirPod. I never upgraded to the second generation or to the charging case, and I also haven't upgraded to the AirPod Pros yet. I might do that in future. That's if they actually don't become, or that's if they actually become available in a country, because right now it's in back order here, and even in the States it's actually back order till Feb. So this is one of the devices. The second device I have is my good friend Anchor. This is a sound called Nano. For its size, this is actually a really good speaker. It's actually really loud. Now, continuing with the theme of sound, I also have my noise cancelling Sony. These are this right here. I've been using these for the past 3 or 4 years now. I also haven't upgraded because these are still doing what they're supposed to do, and I actually make sure sometimes, because I don't want to upgrade, I don't go and try the better versions, because if you have to go try the better versions and then you come back to these ones, you realize how these ones suck compared to the newer version, which is the MDR something 1000X, this number here. And I also have my phone. Obviously you need a phone. I'm still using this phone here. This is the iPhone 8 Plus, which still has a marvelous camera, I must say. Video coming soon if it's not already out by the time you're actually watching this video. I also have this guy here, which is something that I always take when I'm traveling. It's a little Allocock power bar. It's connected right now, so I can't really move it that much. Just gives me extra plug points. I have 2 USB cables here, and I have 2 power plugs there where I can plug and charge my phone. Other than that, I have a camera. This is the Sony a6400. This guy doesn't have image stabilization, so if you saw that most of the footage that I took while I was working was a bit shaky, is because I was using this camera, but hopefully it's not that shaky. So I have this guy here, and I have it on that on a selfie stick, and it's sitting on a little tripod stand. That's the tripod stand of my gimbal. I also came out with this guy here. Yeah, I brought out my bag. This is the bag that I'm actually carrying, but what I wanted to show you guys is not the actual bag, but the other stuff that I have in the bag. So I have I thought I was gonna buy a SIM card so I could have a number here, but I don't think I'm gonna need, because where I'm staying there's Wi-Fi. I have another power bank. I have one more power bank somewhere inside. Okay, I have extra lens. I haven't used it. I also have this light here, just in case I needed light, and I also sometimes use it as a nightstand light, because I don't like sleeping in a complete dark. I do not like the dark. And I also have some clothes. I have brought shorts, to change. I'm gonna maybe use that one tomorrow when I go back. I have a black tee. I have a vest for me to use while I sleep. Okay, I have the other power bank here. This is that Bruma, the small guy with the short cables to charge the speaker. I can also charge the headphones with this cable, and then I can charge my phone as well as the AirPods. And then I have one more tripod here, which I use to vlog with that camera when I'm not using it on this tripod or on this selfie stick stand gimbal that I have there. And I also brought flip-flop, but I don't think I'm gonna be using these guys. So yeah, so that's what I actually brought on this trip. Not that many things because I was only gonna be here. I forgot to show you guys the charger for my Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch 4th generation, 3rd generation. Okay, this is the generation before the one that actually has an always on display. I think that one is the 4th generation, so this one is the 3rd generation. Or is it the 5th? It's this generation here. Alright, so this is the charger that charges it, which is connected also to the alucock cable. So yeah, that's about it in terms of devices that I brought out here. Apart from my documents, passport, and all those other things that I have in my bag, that's actually about it. And this is where I'm going to end this video. If you're not already subscribed, as I mentioned, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Actually, not if you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up before I come and get you arrested. Yes, give this video a thumbs up. And I'm gonna catch you guys on my next one. Peace.